Iba bait anticipando para o dia largo acaba. Kiko também tem evento de mais especial para a aqui. O evento chega e o que ela está impacto enorme.
Recreação.
Fim de semana passada, a abre e será com Johnnie Walker su Voyager de no suave. Beleza de veleiro, mas elegante de linha, que marca que esta representa.
It's fantastic to be here with you. I'm sure you'll enjoy it, and I'm sure more people will enjoy the sight of this Voyager in your country.
Den dia, a prensa estava te invitar para experienciar a Voyager den tour sua excelência e forma parte de uma jornada que começa a roupa tempo passar.
It started actually in September 2012 when we set sail from Shanghai. We sailed throughout China, we went to the Philippines, we've been to Manila, Hong Kong, we've been to Vietnam, northern Vietnam, Halong Bay, amazing place to sail, Ho Chi Minh City, Bangkok, Singapore, Dubai, sailed through the Mediterranean. We went to the Cannes Film Festival, Monaco Grand Prix, Athens, Barcelona. We sat right in the centre of the Thames by London Bridge in London. Sailed through Amsterdam, Hamburg, Copenhagen, Edinburgh, and now of course we've been sailing just for a few weeks from Antigua, Trinidad, and of course finding ourselves here in Aruba.
Aqui na Aruba, com barrada de solo, a agência Romar Trading a percorrer para lançar creme de la creme de evento, a la par que país na mais grande do mundo e assim celebrar uma história larga que marca de whisky escocês.
We certainly know since the modern era, the 20th century, that Aruba was a key part. But it would be difficult to imagine that if we, for example, knew our whiskies were in the mainland of America by the 1880s, we know they were in this region, and we know that Aruba has been significant throughout that era. So it was very important us to come here.
Generação não trabalha bem, pero a fascinação com a marca está constante.
One is the liquid, right? We have great tasting, big, bold flavors. We have excellence in blending over 193 years through 6 generations of master blender, including the first 3 from the family. We're renowned for iconic design. Everyone knows though that the striding handle, the square bottle, the angled label, but also our commitment to progress, to constantly keep moving forward. And I think this, our Voyager, actually brings all of those together, all of those things, and celebrates them in many different ways. But I think the biggest thing that I've certainly been struck with, and the importance when we first thought about this, was that we can bring a fantastic environment wherever we go. That of course there's the excitement about a yacht coming into town. In some places it's not maybe as uncommon as others. Certainly when we were in Cannes for the film festival, there were quite a lot of yachts there, and similarly in Monaco. But it's a huge impact, and I'm sure you'll agree, the Regina, this boat in particular, is a very beautiful, very clean lines, a lovely looking sailing ship. But also the interior, just like where we are now, is very tastefully decorated, and I think it's a great environment where we can invite either regular or existing consumers and customers, or new customers and consumers, into the world of Johnnie Walker.
Itaribe Velero aqui é invitado na VIP adrenta e mundo de Johnnie Walker, com cobertina de fanático instantâneo.
Welcome, and welcome to a world of flavour, and especially within Johnnie Walker, because we have a really wide range, whether it goes through from the red to black label, double black, gold label reserve, platinum 18, blue label, and beyond, into our special super deluxe limited editions. But for someone new, the first thing is to find out, well, what is your drink of choice at the moment? Do you drink with a mixer, for example? Do you prefer a longer drink? Because certainly if a longer drink's what you're looking for, then find a mixer to mix with whiskey.
E pessoa que busca bebida refrescante, Jones tem tip.
I think one of the most refreshing drinks I love to enjoy is Johnnie Walker with some tonic and zest of fresh lemon.
Recreación.